Now, as you've used the Oppo Find X8 Pro, what did you like the most about it?
I like the camera of the phone.
Design.
Chipset is pretty good.
Its design and battery life is just amazing.
Now that you have witnessed the enthusiasm for the Oppo Find X8 Pro, what do you expect from a flagship smartphone? Cameras that make you say wow? Power-packed AI features? Jaw-dropping performance and durability that laughs in the face of danger? Well, Oppo just gave us the Find X8 Pro and it checks all the boxes. And if you are looking for the best-in-class flagship smartphone of the year, you should look no further and grab the hottest phone of the year to enhance your user experience to the next level. And here is the latest masterpiece from Oppo and our in-depth review.
Where will you use the phone's camera?
Whenever I take a photograph.
Most probably capturing sunsets, the images sometimes shake up. Pro level content.
How much would you rate it out of 10?
Solid 8.
10 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
8.5.
Solid 9.
A 9. I would rate it 10 by 10.
9.5.
First things first, the camera. The Find X8 Pro is a powerhouse for photography, featuring the Hasselblad Master Camera System. With a quadruple 50 megapixel high quality cameras, including 2 exclusive dual periscope telephoto lenses, this phone is built for versatility. Perfect for casual photographers, enthusiasts, and creators alike. Ultra wide 50 megapixel, wide 50 megapixel, periscope 73mm 50 megapixel, periscope 135mm 50 megapixels. The Find X8 series is the first in the world to feature a revolutionary dual periscope camera system with a unique triple prism fold reflection system featuring 73mm 3x and 135mm 6x lenses. The periscope design lets us fit powerful 50 megapixel sensors into an ultra slim camera system. Unlike traditional setups, the periscope structures uses length, not depth, to fit these large sensors, delivering superior image and video quality. With innovative internal stacking and a miniaturized triple prism telephoto lens, the Find X8 Pro delivers incredible zoom and detail. No compromises, no bulk. Whether you are capturing wide landscapes or zooming into faraway subjects, Lightning Snap ensures every shot is crisp, clear and fast. Get ready for next level photography with the Find X8 Pro's Hypertone image engine. Oppo's cutting-edge innovation in computational photography by blending up to 9 raw frames into one stunning image. It delivers exceptional clarity, rich dynamic range, and noise reduction that will make your photos pop. Hey guys, now let's take a look at the AI telescope zoom feature on the Find X8 Pro. The new Oppo smartphone uses its AI and computational photography technology to capture sharp images of even distant objects. The 50 megapixel telephoto lens can click images with razor sharp details. But that's not all. Once you push it to beyond 60x, the on-device AI can digitally optimize and fine-tune every detail that are impossible to spot otherwise. Ever tried capturing a moment only to miss it because your camera was too slow? We've all been there. By the time your camera is ready, the magic is gone. That's where the quick button on the Find X8 Pro steps in. Imagine spotting a stunning sunset or a perfect rainbow. With a simple double tap, your camera is ready in just 0.4 seconds. Lightning fast, isn't it? Need to zoom? Just slide your finger effortlessly and snapping that picture is just another quick double tap away. It's fast, effortless, and make sure you never miss those moments again. Are you struggling to get those perfect professional looking portraits? The Find X8 Pro's Hasselblad Portrait Mode is all you need. Designed in collaboration with Hasselblad, this mode brings their iconic portrait style right to your phone. With 6 focal lengths, including a stunning 135mm lens, you'll get a dreamy bokeh that gives your photos that extra wow factor. Plus, its advanced subject segmentation captures every little detail, making your photos look sharp, vibrant and simply flawless. Ready to shoot like a pro? The Oppo Find X8 Pro transforms video recording into a professional experience. With 4K Dolby Vision HDR available on all cameras, including the selfie camera, it ensures every moment is captured with stunning clarity and vibrant detail. Oppo Find X8 Pro, the first global smartphone to feature the revolutionary MediaTek Dimensity 9400 flagship processor. Prepare for next level performance with a chipset that's setting a new industry standards. Experience speed like never before. 35% faster CPU for lightning fast processing, 41% faster GPU for smooth graphics and seamless gaming, plus 40% CPU efficiency for longer battery life without compromising power, plus 44% GPU efficiency for immersive, smooth visuals, plus 35% AI efficiency to elevate your smart features to the next level. Built on the TSMC3 NM processor and armed with a second generation all-big core design, the Dimensity 9400 delivers an unmatched blend of power and efficiency. The Oppo Find X8 Pro's advanced cooling system keeps it cool under pressure, ensuring peak performance even during intense gaming or heavy app usage. The Trinity engine, powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400, optimizes performance while significantly reducing power consumption, allowing for longer gaming, streaming, and overall usage without compromising battery life. The Oppo Find X8 Pro's AI Link Boost and triple antenna Wi-Fi system ensures a seamless, uninterrupted connection, even in challenging environments like crowded elevators or basements.
Describe Oppo Find X8 Pro's UI in one word.
It's incredible.
Extreme.
Awesome.
Visually appealing.
Perfection.
Very fluent.
Reliable.
Fluid.
One word is not enough for this phone.
Let's talk about software. Want smoother animations? ColorOS 15 has got you covered. With its self-developed luminous rendering engine, it's the first Android system to run interruptible and parallel animations. Yes, multiple animations at once without any hiccups. Imagine your apps and widgets smoothly syncing even during lightning-fast operations. Plus, the Fusion 3D physical model gives everything a real-world touch. So, app transitions look like an art in motion. No more choppy backgrounds. Dynamic Gaussian blur makes your app boot and exit feels like magic.
As you have also checked the AI features of this phone, which AI feature did you like the most?
The AI unblur feature was very cool. AI reflection remover.
I think I love the object removal tool. Whenever I take a photograph, there's always an unwanted person or an object in the image, and it's very easy to remove them. I loved it the most.
AI telescopic zoom.
AI telescopic zoom is
AI summary. The camera feature.
The AI unblur feature was very cool.
Photo clarity is very good.
I think circle to search.
Thumbs up
To Oppo
Find X8 Pro.
The crowd went wild over the Oppo Find X8 Pro's AI features, and so did we. Let's explore some of its amazing AI capabilities. With ColorOS 15, photo editing just got a whole lot smarter. The AI Photo Remaster suite, exclusive to the Find X8 Pro, is your ultimate toolkit to turn good photos into wow photos. Let's meet the game changers. With Oppo Find X8 Pro, photo editing becomes smarter with the AI Photo Remaster suite. Transform your low-res images into Ultra HD with AI Clarity Enhancer. Fix blur photos with AI Unblur and clear reflections with AI Reflection Remover. Your photos are Insta-ready in seconds. But that's not all. AI Studio takes selfies to new heights, turning one photo into endless avatars and creative styles. The Oppo Find X8 Pro comes packed with a suite of powerful AI tools to elevate your smartphone experience. The AI Toolbox offers features like AI Summary to condense long articles, AI Speak for voice-to-text conversion, and AI Writer to assist with drafting content. AI Record Summary keeps your meetings on track, and the AI Assistant for notes ensures no detail is missed. For smooth workflow, Oppo's document apps streamline your tasks, while over 800 animations bring your interface to life. Circle to Search helps you instantly find info, and Touch Share makes transferring files between devices effortless. With this phone, the only limit is how fast your fingers can swipe. Now, who says durable can't be beautiful? The Oppo Find X8 Pro is a sleek, lightweight device with a stunning 3D curved design and a choice of space black or pearl white colors. Tired of bulky phones? The Oppo Find X8 Pro shrinks the camera bump by 40%, making it 40% more compact and 100% more comfortable. Enjoy powerful photography without the compromises. The Oppo Find X8 Pro is built to last. Worried about water? Don't be. With IP68 certification, your Find X8 Pro can survive being submerged in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. And if things heat up, the IP69 rating means it can handle jet sprays of water at up to 80 degrees Celsius. Talk about confidence in your pocket. The alert slider on the Find X8 Pro lets you instantly switch between ring, vibrate and silent modes with single slide no matter where your phone is. The Oppo Find X8 Pro, a stunning blend of art and technology with Oppo's upgraded Cosmos ring design, features a refined design and Hasselblad camera system for breathtaking photography. The Oppo Find X8 Pro takes your display experience to the next level. With its gorgeous 6.78 quad curved display and ultra slim 1.9mm bezel, it feels like you're looking at one seamless screen. No matter the angle, the 4500 nits peak brightness means you'll never struggle to see your screen, even in bright sunlight. Plus, with 2160Hz PWM dimming, your eyes will thank you, especially in low light settings. Whether you are streaming, gaming or browsing, the display shines with vivid colors and details thanks to the support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus and HLG. And if you are someone who spends hours on their phone, the TUV Greenland Eye Comfort 4.0 certification and DC dimming feature protect your eyes from strain, making it as easy on your eyes as it is on the view. The Oppo Find X8 Pro boasts a massive 5910 mAh silicon carbon battery that charges super fast and lasts longer. The silicon carbon battery in the Oppo Find X8 Pro offers higher energy density, meaning it stores more power without adding bulk. With 80-watt SuperBoost wired charging that charges your phone to 100% in just 55 minutes, and with the groundbreaking 50-watt AirBook wireless charging, you'll never worry about running out of power again. Oh, and if your friend's phone is dying, just turn on reverse wireless charging and be the hero they didn't know they needed. Fast charging so fast that you'll spend more time living and less time waiting. To sum it all up, the Oppo Find X8 Pro is a flagship phone that delivers exceptional performance. With its sleek design, fast performance and its unique AI features, this phone is perfect for those seeking a premium smartphone experience. What really blows me away about the Oppo Find X8 Pro is the AI camera technology, and the AI Unblur feature is a total game changer, turning blurry photos into crystal clear shots. And the camera is a photographer's dream, made accessible at a pocket-friendly price. I love how the 4K Dolby Vision HDR support across all camera captures professional quality videos and photos. And if you are looking for a performance-focused daily driver, this stunning beautiful flagship phone will definitely impress you, blending style, performance and cutting-edge tech in one sleek package.
The Oppo Find X8 Pro is priced at INR 99,000, but after discounts and exchange offers, it costs as low as INR 82,000 for the 16GB plus 512GB variant. This device is already up for sale and you can purchase it across Oppo eStore, Flipkart and mainline retail outlets.
So, are you ready to meet your next flagship?